deep in the shadow.
Reaction lang po ito dun sa na-encounter kong may negative experience tungkol sa Cebu Pacific. Ito, no, from Singapore yata siya, and then going dito sa domestic. So, yes, so she's complaining about yung excess baggage that she has to pay, no? Or they have to pay kasi parang grupo yata sila. But nevertheless, iba naman po yung experience ko, no? It was a pleasant sa akin, no, experience na nag-Cebu Pacific ako. So normally Philippine Airlines yung sinasakyan ko, but this time ang tagal ko nang hindi nag-Cebu Pacific. The last time was from Hong Kong to Manila, yun ang nasakyan ko. So eto ho, in fact nung umalis ako from I think 19, no, March 19, 2024 from Manila to Pagadian. It was really a pleasant experience for me. Unang-una, walang delayed. So, maaga ho yung flight namin. So, we left at around 6:10 in the morning and then arrived on time, no, alas 8. And earlier, earlier pa nga. So, but nevertheless, doon pa lang sa, sa pag-check-in. From the check-in, online, I requested for a choice seat. Tapos, yung wheelchair kasi senior na ho ako. And minsan ho, hindi ko na kaya yung mahabang lakarin. So, therefore, doon pa lang ho sa sa pag-check-in, so I was not able to experience the check-in na pumila kasi nga I approached yung sa kanilang mga staff at kaagad-agad nung chinek yung aking request, special request about the wheelchair, binigay naman kaagad nila, and someone assisted me, staff nila, so very pleasant po sa akin. So, nung hanggang sa sinakay po ako sa bus to convey, para lumipat puro sa aeroplano. Okay, so everything went smoothly. So, pagdating po ron sa loob, okay naman. So, naglakad ako. Okay naman yun kasi pagka short distance, pwede sa akin. Huwag lang yung mahabang lakarin dahil that would pose a problem for me, no? So, bilang senior citizen. And then in flight, napaka very friendly ng staff. It's a Manila Pagadian flight, ibigay ko lang yung details, para Manila Pagadian flight is ito yung flight namin, booking reference JBH49L. So ang flight detail niya is sa Manila Pagadian is the flight 5J850. Ulitin ko po, 5J850. Alam mo, doon lang, napaka-friendly ng mga staff, ng mga cabin steward, cabin stewardess, alam mo. At tapos agali pa nga while waiting for my CR kasi nilagay nila ako sa 3D. And 3D is about, ayan lang proximity sa CR. And I normally request for aisle seat at saka CR kasi madalas akong nagsi-CR, no? Most specifically dito sa flight. Now, while waiting, nagkwentuhan kami and they were very gracious. They were very kind, yung stewardess natin. And talagang they extended help. Hanggang sa lumapag po kami ng Pagadian. So, pagdating po sa Pagadian, before that, sabi pa ng ating cabin attendants, kung may request daw kaming, may request akong wheelchair. Which apparently, nasa online yun, So, they asked me and reconfirmed. Sabi ko meron pero I opted not kasi malapit lang ang airport lang ng Pagadian, manageable. Hindi kagaya sa Manila na talagang ang haba ng nilalakad tsaka ang haba ng tayo. Yun. So, Manila Pagadian is perfect for me and Cebu Pacific is very good. Okay, so there. Thank you.